Hey aviation fans, welcome back. If you're tracking the comeback stories in the skies, SAS Scandinavian Airlines is rewriting its playbook. Born in 1946 as the flag carrier for Denmark, Norway, and Sweden, SAS has weathered storms from COVID chaos to a Chapter 11 restructuring that slashed debt and old owners. Now in 2025, it's shrinking to grow, trimming excess capacity, retiring relics, and injecting efficient new jets to fuel a SkyTeam-powered rebound. With Copenhagen as its beating heart hub, SAS is eyeing 23 million seats across 278 routes this summer alone. In this video, we'll unpack 10 key points on the fleet evolution. Think leaner ops, greener wings, and bolder networks. Let's taxi down the runway. All Airbus mainline mastery. By September 2025, SAS boasts a pure Airbus fleet for mainline ops, no more Boeings in sight. Gone are the last 737s retired in 2023. Now it's 133 aircraft strong, including subsidiaries like SAS Connect and Link. This harmonization cuts maintenance headaches and boosts parts efficiency, saving millions in a post-bankruptcy world. Narrow-body backbone, A320neo surge. The workhorses, over 70 A320neo family jets, with 6 more deliveries slated for fiscal 2025. These fuel sippers, up to 20% more efficient than old CEOs, are phasing out A320 CEOs and A319s, shrinking short-haul bloat while ramping frequencies to spots like Madrid and Budapest. SAS now leads Europe as the biggest A320neo operator. Talk about neo power. Wide-body shake-up, A330s on the chop block. SAS's long-haul fleet, 8 A330-300s and 6 A350-900s by year-end, after 2 final deliveries. But here's the shrink: restructuring eyed offloading, excess, wide bodies, trimming from 14 pre-COVID to under 10 active. It's about ditching high-cost relics for routes that scream premium, like transatlantic hops to the USA 350 arrival, tech edge unlocked. Those 2 late 2025 A350s. Game changes with 25% less fuel burn and whisper quiet cabins. CEO Anko van der Werf is hunting US codeshare slots to deploy them fast. Think non-stop to LAX or JFK. This duo tips the wide-body scales toward A350 dominance, blending bleeding-edge tech with network fit. Regional refresh. Embraer E195-E2 Bonanza. Boom, SAS inked its biggest jet order since '96 to 45 E195-E2s, options for 10 more. Deliveries kick off 2026, but 2025 planning is in overdrive. These 140-seat regional stars slash emissions by 29% and noise by 62%, perfect for Scandinavian feeders and Euro hops from Stockholm or Oslo. Subsidiary shifts, wet lease wanes, SAS links ATRs and CRJs, around 30 regional birds, handle the short stuff, but 2025 sees wet lease tweaks. XFly's contract ended in 24. Now Braathens Regional steps in for Stockholm domestics. Total fleet dips temporarily to approximately 130, optimizing for Copenhagen's global push over scattered ops. Green goals. Efficiency over expansion. Shrinking means sustainability. New jets like A350s and E2s cut CO2 by 20–30%. SAS's fiscal 2025 plan, 21 additions over 2 years, but retire 10 plus oldies for a net zero growth year. It's about flying smarter, not bigger, aligning with EU green mandates and slashing costs by $800 million plus from restructuring. Network boom fuels fleet choices. Summer 2025, massive, 15 new routes from CPH, 54% more Swedish domestics, and intercontinental jumps to Asia. Fleet shrink targets unprofitable legs, freeing slots for high-yield paths. With Air France KLM hiking stakes to 60.5%, SAS leverages SkyTeam for seamless codeshares, growth without girth. PAX perks, Wi-Fi and seats evolve, free Starlink high-speed Wi-Fi rolls fleet-wide late 2025 for Eurobonus elites, streaming mid-flight. Yes, pair it with revamped Euro business class, lie flats on A350s, and dynamic ad tech from Apex Tech. Shrinking fleet means premium focus, fewer seats, higher satisfaction, and world's top punctuality, twice in H1 2025. Future Horizon, A330 versus A350 verdict. By decade's end, SAS picks one wide-body family, A330 for network versatility or A350 for fuel tech supremacy. 2025's the pivot. Final A350s test the waters, while E2s lock regional growth. Post $1.2 billion investment, it's a lean machine targeting 30M plus passengers by 2030. Shrink today, soar tomorrow. Few, that's SAS's 2025 fleet flex. From bankruptcy ashes to efficient ascent, shrinking isn't defeat, it's the blueprint for Scandinavian skies reborn. What's your SAS story, fave route or dream A350 ride? Comment below, smash like if you're rooting through CPH, and sub for more fleet deep dives. Fly safe, Vikings.